Hi, my name is Lori Poole, and this is Jason Katz. We are financial planners here at Bartlett and want to take a quick minute to tell you more about our upcoming event with Keith Lawrence, 10 Secrets to a Fulfilling Retirement. So Jason, when you think about the event, tell us who should come.
Yeah, I think about a client I was meeting with. We were going over his retirement planning, and I asked him a simple question of, what does your retirement look like? And I got the blank stare, the deer in the headlights. And that's exactly the type of question that we're going to go over in the event on May 2nd.
Yeah, when I talk to people about retirement, they're so excited to have made it to the finish line. But really, this isn't the finish line. This might be the next 30 years of your life. And so take a step back and come to this workshop with us. Plan for that retirement in a guided fashion with Keith.
Yeah, maybe it's, what do your hobbies look like? Maybe you have a second act. Maybe you start a business. All of those things. We look forward to unpacking that with you.
So come join us at the Queen City Club on May 2nd. Registration will start at 8:30 and the program will start at 9. And be sure to secure your spot by this Friday, April 19th.
Looking forward to seeing you.